Good afternoon, I'm Brent Wilsey, and it is Friday, and yes, it's time for our weekly briefing on what's going on in the economy and investing and so forth, and the world. And today, China had a $34.13 billion trade surplus with the U.S. in September. That's a record.
That's a record, and it doesn't look that much better even if you look at the year as well. You can see here, year-to-date, China's surplus about we'll call it about $0.8 billion worth. Compare that to last year over the same time frame, we had about $196.01 billion worth of deficit compared to China. So we're lagging a little bit this year, and people are saying, I thought Trump was really hard on this. I thought the tariffs were going to really make a big impact. It's not looking that way, but you got to kind of take a look closer at the situation.
Yeah, and that's why we try to explain to you what's going on so you understand this, because actually the tariffs really didn't take place until almost a little over a week ago. So they're really just getting off. We're going to look next month. I think you'll see a whole different story.
Yeah, because you can see here, we believe that a lot of this was kind of a push through. I believe that final date was September 24th was the enactment of the $200 billion worth of tariffs. That was that final date. So I think a lot of people were trying to get those products through before then. So we saw a big spike in September. October, I think, is going to be a different story. I still also kind of continue to question, because next year it goes from 10% to 25% if people are going to try and push through even more products this year in anticipation of those other tariffs.
And I do believe, I don't think we'll make it that long, because I think what the Chinese are waiting for, I think they're waiting for to see what happens with this election coming up in about, I think it's 24 days, to see will they get a better favor of who to deal with. I mean, Trump will still be there, but they might be hoping more for Democrats, maybe get a better deal. But the Chinese, they have to deal here because their economy is not doing that great. They're kind of starting to complain a little bit about their economy there.
Yeah, I mean, we've seen their stock market fall. We've seen the yuan depreciate against the dollar quite heavily. That's kind of also been a big impact on their exports and imports.
Yep, and what that has actually done is that we have the dollar stronger, the yuan weaker, so therefore that's making things look better than they actually are. I can't wait to see next month, which will be mid-November. We'll see how actually October went. I think we'll see a whole different story, but we got to hang tight here. I think this is for the better, and I do believe the Chinese will start coming to the table after the election. Maybe, just maybe, we'll have a trade deal talked about or in writing before the end of the year.
I'm going to take the other side of the coin. I don't think we're going to get one until 2019.
Yeah.
I'm not as optimistic.
I'll be optimistic. I like to be optimistic, but yeah, I mean, so, and again, not have a signed deal maybe, but have a deal that, okay, yes, we know they're going to get a deal, like Europe did. So.
I think we're going to have talks. I don't think we'll have a deal until 2019.
All right, well, we'll see. You were right on the Amazon thing. I was wrong on that. So, okay, we'll go with that. Hey, be sure to tune in tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock to AM 760 KFMB, the Smart Investing Show with Brent Chase. Also on Sundays at 5 o'clock. And hey, have a great weekend.